Artificial intelligence, or AI, is playing a transformative role in revolutionizing various fields, reshaping how we live and work in the modern world. In healthcare, AI is enhancing diagnostics and treatment with tools like IBM Watson, which analyzes large volumes of medical data to provide doctors with actionable insights for personalized patient care. Additionally, AI-driven imaging technologies are helping in early cancer detection, as seen with Google's DeepMind, which developed an AI model capable of identifying over 50 eye diseases with high accuracy. In finance, AI is optimizing trading and risk management. For instance, hedge funds like Renaissance Technologies use AI algorithms to predict market trends, leading to higher returns. AI is also critical in fraud detection, with banks like JP Chase using AI to monitor transactions and identify suspicious activities in real time. AI in healthcare. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by enhancing diagnostics, treatment, and patient care. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data, enabling early detection of diseases like cancer through image recognition and predictive analytics. AI-driven tools assist doctors in personalizing treatments, reducing errors, and improving patient outcomes. Additionally, AI-powered robotic surgery and virtual health assistants are becoming integral to modern healthcare. AI in education. In education, AI is transforming the learning experience through personalized education platforms like Duolingo, which adapts lessons to suit individual learning speeds and styles. AI also automates administrative tasks such as grading, allowing educators more time to focus on teaching. Manufacturing is benefiting from AI-driven automation, with companies like Siemens implementing AI-powered robots that streamline production processes, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. AI is also used in predictive maintenance, where sensors and machine learning models predict equipment failures, minimizing downtime and saving costs. AI in transportation. The transportation industry is experiencing significant changes due to AI, particularly with autonomous vehicles. Tesla's self-driving cars use AI to navigate roads, reduce accidents, and improve traffic management. In logistics, AI optimizes supply chains by predicting demand and managing inventory, as seen with Amazon's AI-powered warehouses that automate order fulfillment. In entertainment, AI is enhancing content creation and user experience. Netflix's recommendation engine uses AI to analyze viewer preferences and suggest personalized content, while AI tools like OpenAI's GPT-3 assist in script writing and generating creative content. AI in retail is personalizing the shopping experience through recommendation engines like those used by Amazon, which analyze customer behavior to suggest products, enhancing the online shopping experience. AI also improves inventory management. For instance, Walmart uses AI to track inventory in real time, ensuring products are always in stock and optimizing supply chain operations. Chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming common in retail, providing instant and personalized customer support, as seen with H&M's AI-driven chatbot that helps customers find products and answer queries. AI in finance is leveraging AI to optimize trading risk management and customer service. AI algorithms analyze market trends and predict stock movements, enabling faster and more accurate trading decisions. In risk management, AI helps in detecting fraudulent activities and assessing creditworthiness. Chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI are also revolutionizing customer service by providing instant support and personalized financial advice. AI in manufacturing is driving efficiency and innovation. AI-powered robots and automation systems are streamlining production processes, reducing costs and increasing output. Predictive maintenance powered by AI helps in minimizing downtime by predicting equipment failures before they occur. Additionally, AI is enabling the design of smarter, more efficient products through advanced data analysis.